Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. It's Friday morning. It's the day after the Prime Rib Video Day. The video is up on Facebook and a couple other places. Great meal. The prime rib was excellent, and the sides, the potatoes, and the carrots were yummy, yummy, yummy. Okay, today, let me show you. Still have cameras up. Instead of ingredients, I'm going to show you vessels. I'm going to start with this vessel. This morning, I'm going to be making beef stock from the bones from the prime rib. And after that, here is a vessel for baking bread. This is a loaf pan. I will be making a basic beer bread. And later on this afternoon, this vessel, this Dutch oven, I will be making Robin's favorite beef barley soup with the stock made in this vessel. And the bread in this vessel will be served with the soup in this vessel. Got that straight? I do. Busy day for me, but actually things are, it's simple. It is a simple thing for me to do these three separate items. So, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.